Hey guys, Jessica Peterson here. I really appreciate you speaking with me today and accepting this video. I'm super excited that you did because the strategies that I show you today are going to make a huge impact on your business, and I know that it will because we've used these strategies with over 50 other restoration companies just like you guys, and it's made a huge success for these businesses. Right now, you're only getting a handful, 10, 15 people to your website per month, which means you're missing out on 60 to 70% of jobs every month by not having these strategies in place, okay? So the strategies we're talking about today are your content keyword strategy, your citations, and backlinks, okay? Now, over the last 18 months or so, Google's gone to a mobile first. So you want to make sure your website obviously is mobile ready. So it does look like your phone number is click to call, so that's good. So click to calls and just double check that your navigation, everything is good on mobile, okay? But aside from that, ranking is based on content. Content is key, and you need a lot of content, okay? Content comes in different forms. It can be videos, it can be images like this. I want to make sure they're all optimized. So this does say water damage restoration. You need to take that a step further. It needs to be local. You guys are not serving the entire United States. Okay, you apparently your main focus on this page is Kalispell. So your home page and every service page should all be about Kalispell. Okay, even though your service all of Flathead, your main pages, your home page should be Kalispell. So we want water damage Kalispell, Kalispell water damage restoration Kalispell, Kalispell water damage restoration. People search differently. You need to utilize those different search terms to drive the most potential traffic. So every page of your entire website requires you optimize it with those local keywords. And in addition, then all of this written content as well needs to be optimized for those local keywords. I also noticed that all of your services are grouped together on one page, which is basically a duplicate of what we have going on here, okay? We cannot duplicate information on your website. Everything needs original content, and every page, every service requires its own page. So you need a separate water page, separate mold page, separate storm and wind damage, separate fire and smokes. All of those need separate pages. Google requires that so that you can focus one service on one page and you can talk about that service, not generic information, but helpful information. You can talk about this service, like different types of water intrusion and how it happens and how you guys fix it, okay? And you can answer those questions your customers are asking. It needs to be helpful, okay? And it needs to be based around those local keywords. And so that is really critical, having the right content. This homepage is the most critical page of your entire website because it ties the entire website together. And so this does need to have these mini summaries of each of the services, but it does need to be a keyword focused, keyword strategy, location focused, okay? It is confusing if we start piling a bunch of different locations and cities on one page. Your customers get confused, and so does the algorithm. So that's why we focus your homepage and your main service pages on a specific location, and then since you're servicing a wide location, then you would create separate service area pages for those services so you can so that you can drive traffic in each area you serve for those services, okay? You want to be found wherever you serve, not just your base location, okay? So content is key here. This homepage needs 1,500 words or more of content. When we are competing against competitors, we always have to do better than they're doing. And so if your competitors do have 1,500 words, you need more than they have. You're going to need 1,800 words or 2,000. to beat out your competition. So you definitely need to work on your content and keyword strategy, because Google is sending crawlers, which are mini robots, to your website to index your website and those keywords to help you get found online. But when these little robots go, they scan all your images and videos, contents, pages, your linking between pages to understand what you guys are about, the types of services you offer, and where you offer those services. So when your content is flat, doesn't have the right information, there's not a keyword strategy in place, or real crystal clear locations and services, service areas, Google doesn't understand. The algorithm gets confused, and so they're not able to really help you generate customers and bring customers to your website. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So when I looked up your top organic competitor for water damage in Kalispell, we do have this stat restoration. They have a decent website. They do have the click to call phone numbers, call outs, making it easy for customers. They do have those separate service pages, like I mentioned. And we can tell they are going after the local keywords. And they do have a little bit more detail, more information than you guys have, but not nearly enough, okay? And so these guys are absolutely beatable. You just have to do better. That means better quality content, more words per page, more pages, those long form blog contents, all of that brings content to your website. And new blogs actually Google loves, because it's new, fresh content. It keeps you active, and it helps you to index for more keywords. So blogs can be extremely beneficial if you do them correctly. Okay. Now, we all know your customers do a search similar to this. Now, when they do, we want your website to be one of the top websites they see. And there's 3 main areas on the first page of Google that your website has that great opportunity. And the first is always going to be, or almost always, is going to be ads. And those are cost per click ads and those local service ads. And these can be extremely lucrative if this is something you want to do, as long as your processes are dialed in and you have a solid foundation. I am sorry about that. My grandkids are in the back room fighting. I really do apologize. I tried to shut the door and muffle it, but anyways. So, sorry about that. So, ads. These can be profitable as long as you have the foundation, everything dialed in. If not, your ROI is not going to be great, okay? Now, these other 2 sections, these get the bulk of the search traffic. This is your Google Business Profile, Google Map Pack area, okay? You want your profile to be showing up here in the top 3, because 30% of people come straight here and don't go anywhere else. So if you're not one of these 3 companies, you're leaving money on the table and sending those competitors to your competition. So in order to be in this top 3, if you're not already, for each service, then you need to optimize this a little bit more. Go out and get more citations. And citations are simply listing the name of the business, the address, phone number, and website, and putting those in a bunch of directories like the Better Business Bureau, Glassdoor, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's, and Houzz. All of those are great citations, okay? So you need more of those than your competition has, and every single one sends additional information to Google to tell them what you're about and where you offer your services. So they are important to have for your business. And then finally, this 3rd section here, this is your organic section. This is the most important section, because 60 to 70% of people skip over ads, they skip over the maps, and they come right here to these top websites. So you want to make sure your website is showing up here. And if you're not, you're losing 60 to 70% of jobs every single month by not having your website here, okay? The higher your website is up here, the larger percentage of that search traffic you get to your website, okay? So in order to get here, it all comes back to the foundation of this site, and then having the proper backlink strategy and SEO in place, okay? So that brings us to backlinks. So this is Ahrefs, a paid tool we use to tell us how your website performs. We can see here you have a rating of a 1.6 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow. So Google does not trust your website. And that is partly because of how your website is structured, but more so based on the power you're sending to it. Like all the tools you use, website is a tool and it requires power. And we send power with backlinks. So you need a lot of backlinks. We need more backlinks than our competitors. We need to send this every month. But not all backlinks are created equal. So this is a popularity contest. We only want good quality do follow backlinks. You have 81 and a rank of 1.6, which means majority of these backlinks are not good. They're spammy. They're actually hurting you. Okay, so we only want the good quality links, the ones that are closely related to your service and businesses. So those would be coming from other websites, from other home service businesses like landscapers and roofers and plumbers. Okay. So once you get those good quality links, your score goes up, Google trusts you more, it promotes your website higher, making you easier to be found online. And it will help you to rank those keywords. Right now you've only been indexed for 31 keywords, but you're only getting 16 people to your website. And if we look at your keywords, surprisingly, you actually have been indexed for a couple really great keywords here in Kalispell. And you are on the first page. There's 10 spots per page on Google, but you're at the very bottom. So like I was saying, the higher you are, the bigger the percentage of this traffic you're going to get, okay? And you serve a wide area. So don't just focus on Kalispell. You got to focus on all the areas that you serve. And remember that people search differently. So all of these are the same style of keywords. You want to also go after the Kalispell water damage restoration, Kalispell water damage, Kalispell fire restoration, okay? Capitalize on the way people searches to drive as much of that traffic as you can. Now, when we look at your competition, they have a really low score of a 0.4. They've got 52 backlinks. Again, most of this is spam, so we only want good quality ones. So we copy the good ones and we go out and get a bunch more, okay? They've been indexed for more keywords because they have more content, but they're still only getting 54 people to their website currently. And they are, for Kalispell, they have the same keywords you do, but as you notice, they're just ranked higher, so they're getting a larger percentage of that traffic. So these guys are super easy to beat. You just have to do better than they're doing. So now, if you take this information that I've just shown you today, oh, hold on, sorry about that. Oh, what's going on here? Sorry, so sorry. Take this information, run with it. You guys can absolutely dominate in your area. So please take it, run with it, apply it today, and start driving that traffic. If you feel that you'd rather focus on what you do best and have a partner in growth, give us a call at Peterson SEO, because this is our specialty, and we specialize in working with restoration companies just like you guys. So please feel free to reach out, ask any questions that you might have, and we would be happy to chat. Reply back to my email, give us a call, or send us a text, and we would love to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching, and I do look forward to hearing from you soon.